Good morning, traders, wherever you are in the world. This is Forex James, and it's day one of the day trading strategy series. We're currently about 2 hours before London Open, and some of the pairs here have already formed a range. Australian dollar, pound dollar is still trending from the previous move, so we'll wait and see here. Okay, this is how we draw the range for pound dollar, dollar yen, euro dollar. This is everything I want to see on the chart, okay? Just 2 or 3 horizontal lines. And the rest is just price. So price is either ranging or trending. And we'll apply the correct strategy for respective phases of the market. Okay, this is the dollar CAD. Last of all, Kiwi. Okay, that should do it for now. We'll set the pending orders in a bit, and we'll see how the market reacts. Okay, we're about 3 hours into the London session, and so far we've had 6 losses here in a row. We basically got whipsawed out of the market. That's what happens when we trade breakouts. When price fails to break out of the range, we take a loss. Okay, not a problem. So start with the euro dollar. First trade failed to break to the downside immediately, ends up being a loser. I failed to take this second break of the range here. I was away from the screen for that slight minute, and price went its way to the downside. Australian dollar. I put on some pivots here. This is just for us to take up profits. I like to use the S1 and the R1 for take profit levels. Okay, first trade on the Australian dollar. A breakout of the smaller range. Okay, when this failed to break out, I reversed. I entered a long right over here. Okay, but it also failed to go up, but instead it went further down, and I had to redraw my range, so this one is no longer valid. Okay, and then we're currently in the sell trade for the breakout of the range here. This one here. Okay, up about 5 pips. Pound dollar. Same thing, failed to break out. I re-enter on the pound. Okay, seeing this price action, but price went lower instead. So 2 losses. And finally, the Kiwi. Okay, also a fake breakout. And we're currently in the short trade here, a break of the bottom of this range. Okay, so far we've lost about 50 to 60 pips or so. Okay, and we're in 4 positions right now. Okay, this happens sometimes. Sometimes the market just takes off during the London session. Sometimes it waits. It chooses to range and consolidate for a while until New York. But that's okay. It's part of trading, okay? yeah, that's the update for now. And I'll talk to you guys when we enter the New York session. Hey traders, another update for today. We just entered New York session. It's 8 a.m. New York time right now. And ever since the last update, I had two more losses here. A sell on the pound dollar and a sell on the Kiwi dollar. Sold over here. Price reversed instead of breaking out to the downside. Same thing with the Kiwi. Okay, so 8 losses so far. Had more losses than that. Not a big deal, but we'll stick to the plan, stick to our rules, and hopefully we can finish the day with a net positive. Okay, we're in currently in a few positions on the Australian dollar, Euro dollar, dollar yen, and the remaining pairs we have pending orders set. Okay guys, we'll see how this session goes. Okay guys, we got stopped out again on the Euro dollar. Price seemed to head to the upside, and we're inside the initial range which was drawn. This may be a sign that price is changing its direction to the upside. We'll just have to wait and see and react to price. Okay, if it breaks to the upside, we're ready to enter with a long. If it heads to the downside again, we'll just simply re-enter. Okay, we're in profit for the Australian dollar and the Kiwi dollar. Small loss for the dollar CAD and profit for the dollar yen. Okay, this may just be a retracement of this down move, or it may signal a direction change. Okay, until price confirms, we'll just have to wait and see. Hey guys, we're about 3 hours into the New York session. Here's the open positions so far. About at break even right now if I were to close out everything. So we had actually, I think it was 10 losses in a row. We got whipsawed pretty badly today. The market eventually broke out during New York session. That's been the trend lately for the past few days. So I'm going to be moving my stops of some of these positions to break even soon. Okay. And the market has picked its direction. It broke out of this range. So we may enter the position on the pullback. If we're short on our daily pip target, okay, I'd be happy with 50 pips per day. I think it's a very reasonable and decent goal to aim for 50 pips per day. Okay, that actually adds up to 1,000 pips per month if you average about 50 pips a day. Okay, guys. Moving this to break even. I'm going to be removing also the pending orders on the other side. Okay. That should do it for now. We'll keep you updated on today's progress in a bit. Okay, I added another sell position here. It's not a breakout trade. We have different criteria for specific situations like this. Okay. And it's in profit for the euro dollar. Reduce the stop loss to half. Okay, and I've moved the stop loss for dollar yen to break even. The dollar CAD finally broke out. Yeah, I'm going to move this to break even. Okay. I'm going to wait a bit more. It's currently 12:30 New York time, 12:30 p.m. that is. Once I'm at my 50 pips target for the day, I may just close out all my positions, or I may just decide to close some positions and just let the remaining run till it reach its target. I'll just keep trailing my stop. Okay. 1300 is about, so we're up about 40 pips here for now. Hey guys. Okay. Market make another push down or up. It's 2 p.m. New York times, 1 a.m. my time. It's about time we end the day. Close out everything here. The momentum during the New York session wasn't as strong as last week's, but we managed to close out in profit. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna copy all of these into a spreadsheet. So I've copied the trades that were triggered into the spreadsheet here. This is arranged in the order that they were closed. So this was closed first, second, third, and this is last. Okay. So we did 16 trades today, 6 winners, 10 losers, and a total pips of 75. And this is the amount in dollars. Quite happy with how this ended, despite the early sessions that were rough. Okay, I'm gonna end the day right now, get a good rest, and get ready for day 2.